โกงเด็กเข้าตาคือใครเพื่อนจะต่อครับผม
I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You gon' see the rest. Just leave what I know. The rest, just watch me grow. Put me on the watch me grow. This is my best to make it known. They gon' get sensitive. With my flow, call me offensive even though Joey ain't gonna lie like try to do it right. Mess up, but I'm still gonna fight for what I want. Still gonna fight. And I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet. But those words that we get, 'cause I've got something left, and I'm not giving in. I'm not letting win. I'm stuck till the end. No. Some injuries, mentally, physically, some them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people only get to me, they want a victory. Got enough to get a seat, just go leave it be. This journey, I've been on since 13. Never stopping searching, yeah. It's my journey, all this passion words. I took action working. I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just living right. But I don't leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and